go back. And it's working perfectly. When I'm bending, nothing's happening. Hello, today I'll show how I'm fixing locking screw in Xiaomi M365. This is the listing on Amazon from where I bought. So let's start it. Here I have also power bank to light it up a little bit better maybe. Here I have screw that I was using before, and I'll show maybe what's the issue with this scooter. So if I lock it, it's not working. And there's this plastic part, I'm not sure if anyone can see, okay, maybe now. There's this plastic part that was holding this part, so if I was doing like this, scooter can like fall with no issues. If I just pull it like this, it's not hard. Boom. So there was only this plastic part that was holding, and I was trying to find screw in Home Depot and other places, but it was almost impossible. So I ordered online from Amazon this part. I hope it will work. So for now I will unscrew this one screw that I bought in Home Depot. I hope I can do it, but oh god, it's so tight. At first I couldn't take this screw out, so I used just regular butter knife. I twist it and then I could take out this screw. Now I will use this thing to unscrew this one screw here. Now, after this screw is out, I can put it away, but we will need it still. And only thing we need to do is take out this part. Then we need to just push it and take out this. So those are two parts that we still need. And also there is another screw that I didn't took it out. Here is what I ordered from Amazon. Here's closer look. Now what I need to do is take this small one, screw it in, and on top of this screw I need to put this one. Now this one needs to connect with this. Okay, so now it's pressing. Now let's put those two parts together, and part that we had before needs to be with the hole up top, and now we need to put it inside. Okay, like this. Now let's put this part into our scooter like this, and now we need to take screw that we had before and put it inside. Now let's take our small screw that we bought online on Amazon and screw it in. Like so. Doesn't need to be to the end. Now let's unlock the scooter and put it up. And this is the reason why we did this. We don't want to lock our scooter. If there will be no screw, we will do something like this, and now it's locked. So we can't do anything and we can't put our screw on. So what to do? We need to take out this part that we had before. Okay, and take out this part that we create, and now we need to put we need to make a little bit pressure here, up, and then it's removed. So let's put it again. Now the screw that we had before, let's put it inside. Now let's put this small screw here, like so. Okay, perfect. Now let's unlock our scooter. Let's put it up, and now we just need to screw this here. Now when it's screwed in, we can check with this part that, you see, it's moving. If it would be different way, the hole inside would be on the bottom, then we could maybe do somewhere here, but we can move all the way, you see. Okay, and now let's unscrew this one. Let's put this here and let's find hole like so, and now we can screw it. Apparently I don't have enough Allen keys, hexagon screwdrivers. I have two from Xiaomi because I have two Xiaomi scooters, but they don't work with it. Also I have this one that I used and it also doesn't work. It's too big. I have from skateboard, doesn't work. I have other from skateboard, also doesn't work, too small. So for now I just only used my hands to make it connect here, but from what I see it's already perfect, because if I do like this, okay, you'll see this part. If I do like this, boom, it's flash right there, and now it's not. So I just need to screw this screw and it will be perfect. So I use this tool, and now even using one hand I can do like this and then go back, and it's working perfectly. When I'm bending, nothing is happening.